Sweet. So we're learning about media queries, and I have all these notes here. And if you want to take this entire course, go to Creative Commons, and then once you're there, you could see the entire course right here. And 2 people have left reviews. Please leave a review if you take it. Understanding media queries. Min width, max width, we've seen that. And print media, we've seen that. And media type. So here's an example, media's screen, right? So, and you could do min width and max width. So this is from 600 pixels to 899 pixels. So minimum on up, maximum on down. We're kind of saying that little area. And then we have a Taco Shop and a scaling font example. We'll go look at that in a second. And we have some responsive mobile first designs already built out and some exercises. So let's go look at that. And we have that code. And here's the Taco Shop.
Hey, is that what you want from the second?
What?
Is that what you want for the unit to Taco Shop there?
Sure, you could build this Taco Shop. So that's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Do you guys want to try building that before I give you the answer? How many people say yes? Angel? You don't think you could do it? What? You guys totally have these skills. Henry, could you do it?
Of course.
Okay.
Z? How are you going to do this part? Right here. Because it's like goes from this. You don't have to make them links, just words, right? Goes from this, that's mobile, to this. How do you do it? It's going to be an ordered list, right? With no bullets. And then how are you going to change this? How are you going to make this happen? So you got a light pink around. That's the container, right? And then if you make this container flex container, and it has 2 flex children in it, when it's here, what's the width of each flex child? What's the flex basis? 100%. And when it's here, what's the flex basis of each flex child? Yeah, like 2080. Right? Knock it out. I'll be back in 5 minutes.